In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule time away on eBay, allowing you to go into holiday or vacation mode with ease. Whether you're planning a well-deserved break or just need a short pause from your eBay business, this feature helps you manage your store effectively while you're away. Let's dive right in. First, log into your eBay account. Go to the eBay website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the My eBay tab at the top right of the page. Click it, then select Selling to access your Seller Hub. This is where all your selling tools are located. In the Seller Hub, look for the section labeled Selling Tools. Under that, you'll find a feature called Time Away. Click on it to start setting up your time away schedule. Next, in the Schedule Time Away section, click Edit Time Away. Here, you'll set your availability preferences and choose how your store will function while you're gone. You'll see two main options. Pause item sales. Buyers won't be able to purchase from you while you're away. Your listings will be hidden or grayed out, perfect for longer breaks or when you can't fulfill orders. Allow item sales. Buyers can still make purchases, but your handling time will automatically extend to prevent penalties for late shipping. eBay will also display a seller is away message, so buyers know there might be a slight delay. Once you choose the mode that fits your needs, set your start and end dates. Make sure they match your exact time away, as your store will automatically return to normal on the end date. Finally, click Apply to confirm your settings. And that's it. You've successfully activated vacation mode on eBay. This simple setup keeps your store professional and your customers informed even while you take some well-earned rest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful eBay tips.